Hello everybody, this is Arnav Jaggi, your coding instructor for today's class. और आज हम बात करेंगे न्यूरल नेटवर्क्स के बारे में. So let's get started. Let us recap. आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के बारे में जानेंगे. आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस हमने पढ़ा था, उसका recap करते हैं. Artificial intelligence refers to any technique that enables computers to mimic human intelligence. AI-enabled machines think algorithmically and execute what they have been asked for intelligently. A machine will automatically mimic human intelligence. Machine learning. Machine learning क्या होता था? Machine learning होता था enabling the machines to improve at tasks with experience. The machine learns from its mistakes and takes them into consideration. It improves using its own experiences. If a machine can improvise it, it is at par with human intelligence. Deep learning. Deep learning enables software to train itself to perform tasks with vast amounts of data. Machines with deep learning are intelligent enough to develop algorithms for themselves. In deep learning, machines is trained with huge amounts of data, which helps it train itself around the data. Such machines are intelligent enough to develop algorithms for themselves. Most advanced form of artificial intelligence is deep learning. Deep learning is the most advanced form of artificial intelligence. Then comes machine learning, and then comes artificial intelligence. Decision trees. All data holds importance while developing the decision tree. The beginning point of any decision tree is known as root. Decision tree is a rule-based artificial intelligence model which helps machine in predicting what an element is with the help of various rules. So at the modeling stage, you learned about the general approaches for developing an artificial intelligence model. Let us revisit the two approaches. The under rule based approach. The developer feeds in data along with some ground rules to the model. The model gets trained with these inputs and gives out answers in the form of predictions. This approach is commonly used when we have a known dataset or labeled dataset. Whereas under the machine learning approach, the developer feeds in data along with the answers. The machine then designs its own algorithms and methodologies to match the data with answers and gives out the rules. This approach is commonly used when the data is unknown or random or unlabeled. Some of the common artificial intelligence models. The number one being regression. Regression होता है एक rule based artificial intelligence model. Regression में the algorithm generates a mapping function from the given data represented by a solid line. Next slide में हम regression के बारे में graph में देखेंगे. So, अगर हमें predict करना हो salary of an employee, we can use his past salaries as a training data and predict उसका next salary. Regression काम करता है continuous data के साथ. Classification. Classification एक और rule based AI model होता है. Classification में the algorithm is able to determine which set a given data point belongs to by the means of classification function represented by a dotted line. The model classifies datasets according to the rules given to it. Usually dataset use होता है classification में वो labeled होते हैं and the data then gets sorted according to their labeling. Testing data को classify किया जाता है as one of the labels of the training dataset. Clustering. Clustering एक machine learning approach होती है जहां machine generate करता है खुद के own rules और algorithms to differentiate amongst the given dataset to achieve the pre-decided goal. The data fed to such a model is usually unlabeled or random, and thus the developer feeds in the data directly into the machine and instructs it to build its own algorithm. The machine then finds out patterns or trends out of the training dataset, or फिर cluster the ones which follow the same pattern. The output rules might be different to what was expected as the machine has its own way of recognizing patterns. सो हम न्यूरल नेटवर्क्स को डिफाइन कर सकते हैं। न्यूरल नेटवर्क्स लूजली मॉडल्ड होते हैं आफ्टर हाउ न्यूरॉन्स इन द ह्यूमन ब्रेन बिहेव। The key advantage of neural networks are that they are able to extract data features automatically without the need of inputting of the programmer. A neural network होता है एक system of organizing machine learning algorithms to perform certain tasks. It is a fast and efficient way to solve problems for which the data set is very large, such as in images. So, as हम देख सकते हैं फिगर में, the large neural networks tend to perform better with larger amounts of data, whereas the traditional machine learning algorithms stop improving after a certain saturation point. न्यूरल नेटवर्क के फीचर्स लिस्टेड है इधर। न्यूरल नेटवर्क्स मॉडल होते हैं ऑन द ह्यूमन ब्रेन एंड द नर्वस सिस्टम। ये ऑटोमेटिकली ये फीचर्स एक्सट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं विदाउट द इनपुट ऑफ द प्रोग्रामर। हर न्यूरल नेटवर्क नोड एसेंशियली एक मशीन लर्निंग एल्गोरिदम होता है। ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग में हेल्प करते हैं जब डेटा सेट बहुत लार्ज होता है। सो न्यूरल नेटवर्क्स ह्यूमन बॉडी में कैसे काम करते हैं, हमने अपने साइंस क्लास में इसके बारे में पढ़ा था। आप देख सकते हैं सेल बॉडी को। यहाँ न्यूक्लियस होता है। The dendrites are basically the receivers. Impulses then are carried from the cell body along the axon to the axon terminals. The impulse is received from one of the neurons to the other and is sent to the cell body through the dendrites. The cell body performs an activation function on the impulse received and then gives it to the output axon, which passes the same to the next neuron in the system. Now हम relate कर सकते हैं इस process को artificial neural network के साथ। We can see that the input layer gets data which then passes on to the node on the hidden layer. The node performs specific actions on the data and passes the processed information to the next layer. In the end, the final processed data reaches the output of the next system. That was all for today's class. आज हमने neural networks के बारे में जाना। Till the next class, goodbye and thank you.